Hi, my name is Carmel and I'm with the Billionaire Investor. And I just wanted to speak to you guys today about trading and investing. So one thing I'm noticing is a lot of people are confusing the two in terms of trading and investing, meaning that they're using the two words interchangeably. And one of the things that I want people to understand is that they're basically two different ball games. So trading on one hand is basically when you're buying stocks today, you're selling them today, or you're selling them tomorrow, next week, next month, within a year usually. That's what trading is. Okay, that's what we call short-term play. And then you've got investing. Investing is when you buy a stock today and you have plans usually to sell it, way later down the line. It could be a year from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now, plus. Okay, so this is the difference between the two, trading versus investing. And so some of you may be wondering, well, why would somebody want to do trading versus investing? Well, the reason why is because trading is usually done for income now purposes. So if you want to make money now, usually people will do go the trading route. Investing, on the other hand, is more for wealth building purposes. So these are the people who are basically understanding that the market always trends up, and that if you buy a quality company today, you hold on to it for years to come, then what eventually is going to happen, the company is going to be worth, or the stock is going to be worth significantly more, and therefore your plan is to hold on to it so you can cash out on it much later. So anyway, me personally, I am a long-term investor. I teach other people how to build real wealth through investing as a long-term investor. So that's what I do. Why did I want to come on here and talk to you guys today? I actually started trying to learn a little bit more about the trading world. Because one thing that I know is that before I started investing, I used to believe that investing was more like gambling, right? And I know some of you believe the same thing. Investing is like gambling. But come to find out that investing really works on solid rules and principles. And that if you come to understand those solid rules and principles, what eventually is going to happen is that you understand basically how to navigate and move through the market, and therefore rewards. So why am I telling you this? I decided, let me go ahead and look a little bit more into trading, because you're hearing so many people talk about trading often, talk about the possibilities of the income that you're able to get from trading. And in relatively short periods of time, we're talking about a few minutes, few days, make a sizable amount of income from that. So I said, okay, let me go ahead and check this out. I've been reading, I've been studying. Let me go ahead and check this out. And today I decided to dip my toe. Well, let me tell you, I don't think trading, when it comes to most people, I just experimenting. I don't see why people would want to go ahead and go the trading route. So I'll tell you this. I actually tried to trade two stocks, NVIDIA and Oracle. So if you heard the news, Oracle was supposed to be buying out. They just reported over the weekend that they won out over Microsoft when it came to the bidding war over TikTok. So that appeared to be news that would have pushed the market forward. And long story short, I decided, hey, let me go ahead for my first trade, go ahead and get into Oracle. In investing, this will be a big no-no. In investing, we do not buy the news at all. We buy quality companies that we've well researched, and we believe in their potential long-term, and therefore we look for a nice opportunity to buy. We jump in and we hold on, like I said, for years to come. But in trading, the rules are almost opposite to investing. So I said, let me go ahead and do this. Let me tell you, I was in the market for about 10 minutes watching it go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And before you know it, I said, you know what? This is just too much. One moment it says a little bit of profit. Then next thing it went down to loss. Then it went back up to profit and whatever else of that nature. And what eventually happened was eventually got to the point where Oracle was taking a little too long to update. And so then I had went to a different site to go check out. And then next thing I said, I'm seeing the same problem there. So I said, let me go look at my account to see what's going on. This is in a different account. And this was my long-term account, so just so I can look up the ticker symbol. When I looked up my portfolio during the same time movement, I already made a $3,000 plus gain in just a few minutes of the market opening. During the same period of time that I was sitting here trading and waiting for Oracle to basically make not even nowhere close that kind of sort of profit. And so the reason why I'm telling you guys this, for me, I don't know about you, but for me, it appears as if trading is not for everyone. I don't know why somebody would want to sit in front of a screen all day and look to see up and down to see when their companies could potentially profit and do well. I don't see why somebody would want to go that route just to go ahead and make a few extra dollars and then turn around. What I teach in my investing course, you've got a whole slew of tax complications with that as well, because you're holding on to these things literally for right now. So you got day trading rules you got to focus on. You got taxation policies that you got to focus on. So many other things that you have to focus on, where you could just turn around and invest for the long term. And literally on a day-by-day basis, I am easily making that kind of money in my sleep. Like if I had not gone in my account just to go ahead and look to see, hey, let me see what's going on with this ticker symbol with this company. Let me go ahead and look and see what's going on. I wouldn't have even noticed that literally in my sleep, I just made $3,000 in a matter of minutes, a few minutes when the market opened. And this is one of the beauties that I try to stress to people all the time about long-term investing. You want to learn how to just pick your quality companies really well. You want to go ahead and invest in those companies, and you want to just sit back and let it do the work for you. So unless you really have the time and the care to be all up in the computer's face, looking every time for these entry points and these exit points as to when you're going to get in, when you're going to get out, and then you in hopes of making a few dollars in the process before you have to deal with taxation policies and things of that nature, feel free to go the day trading route. But me, I'm actually very cool and comfortable chilling with the long-term investing route, where in the end, I'm literally making the money while I sleep. So no, investing money is not today money. I'm not going to go ahead and cash out the $3,000 profit for just today now because I made that money. No, because my whole plan is that $3,000 today will be, $5,000, a month from now, or $5,000 a year from now, or whatever else it is. The point is, it's going to significantly grow and keep working on my behalf. And that is where the wealth is. So I'm just here to let you guys know, once again, day trading versus investing. It's up to you if you want to go that route. I know for not everybody, I'm speaking for me, is not built to be on the emotional roller coaster each and every second, looking at stocks and saying, okay, are we going up? Are we going down? Are we going up? Are we going down? I like the surety of knowing that my money is always making money quietly on my behalf without me having to do much of anything in the process, other than I made my choice well the first time. All right, so that's it. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, if you disagree, you prefer trading as opposed to investing, if you do a little bit of both, feel free to comment. Let's talk, okay? Take care.